Briefly introduce the importance of online advertising in today's digital landscape. Highlight the purpose and goal of this tutorial to help businesses and individuals master Google Ads in 2023. Explain what Google Ads is and how it works. Provide tips on how to set up a successful campaign structure. Emphasize the importance of keyword research in driving relevant traffic to your ads. Provide tips on how to choose the right keywords and create targeted ad groups for maximum effectiveness. Explain the key elements of a successful ad, headline, description, display URL, etc. Discuss the importance of A/B testing and how to use it to improve ad performance. Discuss the different bidding options available on Google Ads, CPC, CPM, CPA. Explain the concept of ad rank and how to improve it through bidding and ad quality. Discuss the importance of monitoring and analyzing campaign data. Share best practices for ongoing campaign optimization and how to make data-driven decisions. Discuss advanced strategies for targeting specific audiences, retargeting, and remarketing. Provide tips on how to stay updated with the latest Google Ads trends and updates. Summarize the key takeaways from the tutorial and encourage readers to implement what they have learned. Provide additional resources for further learning and support.